Hello everyone, and welcome to Drama Explorers Academy. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful tools in melodrama, your voice. In melodrama, how you say something is just as important as what you say. Melodrama started in theatres where audiences sat very far from the stage. Actors needed voices that could reach the back row and make every emotion crystal clear. Today, melodramatic voices help audiences instantly understand who's good, who's bad, and who needs help. Heroes have strong, confident voices that inspire trust. They speak clearly and boldly because they're not afraid. They're here to save the day. Listen to the difference. I'll help you versus fear not, I will save you. The hero voice makes you believe they really can defeat any villain. Hero voices project well. They're loud enough for everyone to hear without shouting. Heroes speak at a steady pace because they're calm and in control. When heroes make promises or declarations, their voices ring with confidence and determination. Villains love to play with their voices to seem more threatening or mysterious. Sometimes they whisper their evil plans. Soon my plan will be complete. Other times they boom with menacing power. You'll never escape. Villains often speak more slowly than heroes, drawing out their words for dramatic effect. They use pauses for suspense. Their voices might be deeper and more sinister, or sometimes unnaturally high and creepy. The key is making audiences feel uncomfortable and knowing this character is definitely up to no good. Victim voices are very different from both heroes and villains. Victims often have higher, more emotional voices that tug at our hearts. When they're scared, their voices shake. Please don't hurt me. When they call for help, their voices are urgent and desperate. Someone help me! But victims aren't always scared. When the hero saves them, their relief and gratitude shine through their voices. Thank goodness you're here. You saved my life. Here's a professional tip. Your voice should match your character's emotions and personality instantly. If audiences hear your voice before seeing you, they should already know if you're the hero, villain, or victim. Volume is your friend in melodrama. Important declarations should be loud and clear. Secrets and evil plotting can be whispered for dramatic effect. But remember, even whispers in melodrama are loud enough for audiences to hear. Pace tells a story too. Speak quickly when your character is excited, panicked, or sharing urgent news. Speak slowly when you are threatening someone, being mysterious, or making an important promise. And don't forget about pitch. Heroes often use their normal speaking voice or slightly lower for authority. Villains might go deeper for menace or higher for creepiness. Victims often speak in higher pitches when frightened, returning to normal when safe. Remember, in melodrama, your voice is a superpower. Use it to make every word count and every emotion unforgettable. See you next time.